Marriage, it's a sacred institution. It's a decision to love each other for a lifetime. It's a union based on mutual affection, respect, and obedience, not only to each other, but also to God as well.
Our day is finally here. I've prayed for you for years, and God has answered in more ways than I can count.
I'm so excited to see what the future has in store for us. With all my heart, I love you.
So, we met Scott, and Raquel and I walked away and said, this guy seems too good to be true, doesn't he? And it's been a few years. I've known Scotty for a few years now. And I can tell you, either he's got me really fooled. I mean, he is an attorney, right? So you gotta be careful. Or he is just one super guy. And I believe the latter. Beautiful.
I like your bow tie.
Pretty cool, huh?
Marriage is not about what you can get, it's about what you can give. And in the marriage picture of Christ and the church, we see this as Christ, the groom, gave his life for the church, the bride, and so should we. And so Scott is the man of the house. That means you need to become that kind of servant leader for your wife, to become a student of this woman.
Through the grace of God, we are gathered today to become one in our walk with the Lord. I promise to always love and cherish you. I promise to be there when you need a hand to hold, a shoulder to cry on, an ear to listen, and even offer my unsolicited advice. I am committed to you and leading our family as we strive to live out God's will. Together, you and I will continue to challenge and support each other to reach our highest potential, all while growing deeper in love with each other. I'm so excited to see what the future has in store for us.
It was early on in their relationship. They were coming over to dinner at our house on a Saturday night about 6 o'clock, and they arrived, and of all things, when it was high tide. So Scotty decided he was going to go fishing before dinner. In fact, he began fishing off the bulkhead before he came into the house. And to our amazement, we looked out the back window, and there was Joanna. She was in a beautiful dress with immaculate hair and makeup, walking across the bulkhead in her bare feet with a rod and reel in her hand. You can't make this up. We saw that, thought, my God, they are made for one another.
Our day is finally here. I've prayed for you for years, and God has answered in more ways than I can count. You are so much more than I could have ever hoped for. I am so very excited to be your wife. I know you are going to look absolutely handsome. My prayer is that we are able to take in as much of this special day as possible and not get too caught up in the details. And may we do that in life as well. I can't wait to have you as my lawful husband and share our lives together and build a future together. There is no one else I'd want to do this with.
Scott, take you, Joanna,
I, Scott, take you, Joanna,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I take you now to have and to hold,
I take you now to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poor,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
I, Joanna, take you, Scott,
I, Joanna, take you, Scott,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
I take you now to have and to hold,
I take you now to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poor,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Scott and Joanna, you've chosen to seal your vows by the exchanging of rings, which is a beautiful symbolic picture of the commitment of the hearts between a man and a woman. In fact, the wedding ring serves as a symbol of the covenant that you've just spoken of. They're an outward, invisible sign of an inward and invisible love which binds your hearts together. Joanna, I give you this ring
Joanna, I give you this ring
as a sign of my love and faithfulness,
as a sign of my love and faithfulness,
with all that I am,
with all that I am
all that I have.
and all that I have.
I honor
I honor you.
you. Scott, I give you this ring
Scott, I give you this ring
as a sign of my love and faithfulness,
as a sign of my love and faithfulness,
with all that I am
with all that I am
and all that I have.
and all that I have.
I honor you. Well, my friends, it gives me great joy now, by the authority vested in me by the Church of Jesus Christ in the state of South Carolina, I pronounce you husband and wife. Scott, your time has come. You may kiss your bride. It is my honor to present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Scott Brown.
I always got questions from Joanna's clients. Is this the one? And I can finally say that yes, he's the one.
May your marriage be ire perennius, more lasting than bronze. And may the law of diminishing returns not apply.
You gotta unhook the back, yeah.
The first one came off so
Thank
easily.
you.
You want a little rub?
Oh, yeah. I don't even know where they hurt anymore.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.